This is a parent tutorial for Pearson Realize website. This is the district's math website that actually has everything on it. It actually has their textbook as well as videos and many other resources. So let's take a look into our Pearson Realize, our math program. The easiest way to do that is you could always go to pearsonrealize.com. And if you're not sure about that, you can always go to the Riverside Unified School District website and start from there. And go over to the Students section, and you see a menu pulls down. And scroll down to where it says Pearson Realize, and click on there. And it should open up to here. And in this case, there isn't a parent access code, but your child should be able to let you have their password and username. If you're not sure, please contact your child's teacher, and they'll give you the exact username and password so you can check on your own. Now, I'm going to enter into it as a teacher, and it's going to look slightly different than what the students see, but basically you're going to have the same headings and same material. So let's take a look. We're going to go ahead and sign in, and you'll get a page like this, and you put in your username and password and sign in. And when it pulls up, it's going to give you a lot of different options here. So let's take a look at them. Alright, over here to the left, you can see the programs. And this is where the students will probably spend most of their time. This is where each topic lessons are at, as well as the textbook itself, and the videos, and extra resources to help the student to learn the particular lesson. Here in the middle is the classes, and that would be the actual assignments that have been given to your child. And they can access them anywhere from any computer once they get onto Pearson Realize. And you can see the ones they need to start, the ones that they're in progress, and the ones they have completed. And then finally there's a data section. And that will kind of break it down for your student. In this case, we won't look at it too much because you'll see most of what my students are, but your child, you can go ahead and take a look at your specific child and the data and how they're doing on different assessments. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and go over to the programs, and we're going to click on there. And here you see a whole host of opportunities to get different resources. Up at the top here, you'll see the table of contents, which it opens up to. You can look at the standards. And right here is the e-text. Right here is where you want to go to actually open up to find the textbook itself. So instead of taking the book home, or if you're not sure what the lesson was, you can go right there and open it up. And then here are some great tools for your child to use if they're struggling on trying to solve a problem, or if they want to use manipulatives. They have some electronic ones you can use here. So if we scroll down a little bit here, let's take a look. We can look right here. You have mathematical practices, and this is a great. All the mathematical practices are here. You can open them up, and you can scroll down, and these are great examples and great strategies for your child. If we click on just the first one, Mathematical Practice 1, it has a video that takes you all the way through what the strategy is. And I highly recommend that you and your child go through these strategies on a regular basis, and it'll help them have an extra tool to solve problems, especially the more challenging ones. And so again, there are 8 mathematical practices, and they're all good to use. If we go back, you can see right here, we can actually go back, and here you'll see what your child will see mostly is these different topics. Topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Depends on how many are in your grade. But in our case, for 4th grade, there are 16. And here's where I can actually assign the different topics and different assessments. But your child will have access to all of these. So if we were to click on to topic 1, they would have a lot of different choices. You can see right here, lesson 1, lesson 1, 2, lesson 1, 3, and again, your child can go ahead and click on it, and they're given a menu. Daily Common Core Review, Meanings of Multiplication. They'll also have a video here on the listen and look for, and then